Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this GLADTOP laminating machine. It's a 9-inch portable A4 thermal laminator with a very quick 90-second warm up, and it comes with 5 pieces of laminator pouches. Could be suitable for home office, school and whatever. I think it's a very attractive listing. Here we get also some of the specs. Hope you can read that. Yeah, the model type is CL01. So let's see what's in the box and how this works. So here we have the laminator pouches. Here's the device, very lightweight, easy to transport. We have the on-off button, and here in the back we have the anti-blockage system which you can use if something is blocked inside. So very simple device, but exactly what we need, and it fits for A4, A5 and smaller ones, but of course also US standard letter size. And it comes also with some nice instructions manual, but I'm not going to show you that in detail because it's very simple to use. That's about it. And if you have some problems with cleaning, maintenance or so, then there's also some nice description here inside. So everything nicely explained. By the way, this is the US model. They also have a EU model. This one comes with the US plug and only works with 110 volts. So let's plug it in here, and now let's turn it on and start the stopwatch at the same time so we can see how long it takes to get the green light to be ready. And as you can see, it was even ready before 1.5 minutes, so it doesn't take 3 minutes or 2 minutes like other comparable models. It's even heating up in under 1.5 minutes, so this can save you a lot of time. So let's take one of the pouches and one print. That's the easy 4-step instructions manual here for this device. We put it inside, align it as good as it gets. We make sure that it has some border so it can be glued nicely. And now we feed it inside, centered as good as possible. And so it's coming out already here at the back, nicely glued. So I think we can stop it again and check the outcome, and you can see everything is nice and clear. Also very solid gluing. Everything worked really well. Of course, it doesn't come with some advanced features like cutting, etching or those things, but if you like it simple, easy to transport, this could be the perfect solution for you. So I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.